Okay, secondly, connect to the power plug.
Yes, okay.
Connect the machine's power plug to the 220 volt
Yes,
AC and then turn on the machine.
yes. Turn on the machine.
Okay, turn on the main power switch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just 1 minute. It will go to the touch screen.
Yes.
Okay, you can see firstly we can say the working time. This will say normally the working time is about 20 minutes, right?
Yes.
And for today for testing we just said it about 5 minutes. Okay,
Yes.
just
we
do a
said
test.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. It will get countdown.
Then we
Okay.
start on. There will be a message showed on the screen. It will remind you what we should do for the next step. So